What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with another decal review. This is from Two Bob's Aviation Graphics and is the F-16C Alaskan Splinters Part 2. This is kit number 72107 and was printed by Microscale Industries. So let's get in and see what this set offers to us. Now they did release the same exact decal sheet in 48 scale. However, missed the boat on that one as it was unavailable when I went to purchase it. So you get two sheets. Set the other one off to the side for a moment. Get this nice BDU splinter from January of 2018. Go ahead and make sure that's nice and focused. As well as a blue splinter. Again, nice color callouts all the way around. So makes life really easy when going to paint it. You do also get the intake plug markings, which is really cool. And then, again, looking on the backside here, it's a full wraparound splinter scheme, which is going to make masking fun for sure, as the decal sheet only has the markings. So we'll take a look at those in a moment. And then on top of that, we also get the additional BDU winner, I guess you could say, BDU splinter scheme from January of 2018. As well as the post-depot ferry scheme. And there we go. So you can kind of see again, overall, really cool scheme. The whole reason I actually purchased this set was for this one here. It's not the splinter scheme, but I do have the winter BDU scheme from the Tamiya kit, so looking forward to that. The one thing I absolutely love about Two Bob's is you get enough of the decals to actually build all three aircraft. So if I wanted, I could actually build all three. To be honest, I am kind of debating if I want to go ahead and do the winter one as well, just because again that is such a cool scheme to do. But yeah, Microscale Industries prints pretty good decals. I've actually just completed a build with those. With the B-17 with some old decals. I am probably going to do what I did with that one, which is I'm going to spray a little bit of the liquid decal film from, again, Microscale Industries. I'll probably go ahead and spray a little bit of that over the whole thing. Just give it a good coat, and that way I know I'm not going to have to worry about anything shattering on it. So, but as you can see, it's a really cool scheme. Really extra cool, especially with the winter one, as the dividing lines between the different colors actually even go on to the insignias, the aircraft marking numbers, and things like that. So, and even the state of Alaska, which is super cool. So, the one thing it was noted, and I cannot remember if it was on the actual website, the gray scheme, that ferry scheme that is noted in the instructions, does not come with this set. It was a different set that it did come with. Again, I was thinking that I had seen it. I think it was on Two Bob's website that noted it. So if you are looking explicitly for the ferry scheme, you will have to get that other different set to acquire that. But outside of that, I guess you could almost call it false advertisement in a little bit for that. But still, these splinter schemes look absolutely stunning. In 1/72nd, they're not large aircraft, so masking these all up and getting all these colors laid down is definitely going to be a bit of a challenge, but that is a challenge I am looking forward to, and hopefully you are as well. So until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.